Oh no, it isn't a prank. It's not a prank though. This is all what we're going to be eating. I think I know what I'm having. They're better be biltong. I love biltong. So I'm going to be eating army tissues. That's it. That's all my box done.
Now that is what someone in the army gets to eat for one day.
What?
Do you think you could eat all of that in one day?
No, I can't. I can. It's cat food. No, it isn't. It's stuff that looks like cat food. Protein bar. Protein bars usually makes them get real fit and strong. And buff and tough. I'll try protein bar.
Whoa.
This is biscuit. Is this what a protein bar looks like? It smells like chocolate. Good. These are good. I think I can eat this at home. I'm definitely bringing this home with me. I want to go to the army now. I can't even open this. Holy smokes, it's dripping on my clothes. Good. It actually tastes like the biscuit. This is not good. This is not good. No, I'm not going to swap it because then we'll get germs. This looks like the ones from the America. B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E. Beaver. Powder type. How do I open it? I'm out of here. Please, can you help me? Oh, can you get me my drink, Dad? It actually smells really good. Yours is pink. Good. It's a type spoon fork. You have to try everything, you know. Oh no. I'm gonna eat it. Tell me what it tastes like after you. It actually smells good. It does smell good. I just got on my pants. That's good. What is it really? Does it taste like mac and cheese? Little sweet. Little sweet. But good? I'll keep it. It's good. What, so I could have some more?
Some more, have as much as you want. What would you say if when you got home from school, that was what you had for dinner?
I'll say yummy. It's better than the food we get at home, Mum. You better make these, Mum. What is this called? Curry. It's like army curry. Time, you go first. Really? Yeah, you can go first. Okay, it smells good. It does look disgusting, but it's actually nice.
Is that nice?
Not that good. I really want to eat this. I really want to. It's getting cold. It's getting cold. That's the whole point. Hot sauce should be cold. Baked beans. Baked beans with sausages. Salad sausage. Why does it have meat in? That's not meat, that's sausage. This is good. It's good. Yes, nuts! These don't taste that good. Nope. I'll give that a thumbs down. It's actually a type of bean and it's a squash. It's a squashed grape. So let's try one of them smushed grapes. This is a squashed grape. Tyler. That's raisins. Look. Raisins are squashed grape. I know. I don't care if cheese goes everywhere. Let's see. Cheese party! Let's see. There's cheese. Good. Is it smashed pineapple? Why is that dog just riding a pepper? A hot pepper.
What do you think of the food that your dad gets given when you're at work?
I think about the food. It's pretty good. and some of it is good, better, very good.
Do you think your dads are lucky that they get to eat this?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they get to eat loads of food. I want to go and play. Like and subscribe down below. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.